ECCW, inhabited by a plague that spreads and grows. The plague? Chilltown. They've taken down numerous people and showed no regret. Well, now, I'm not standing for it. This plague has to stop. And if I'm the only one to do it, then so be it. But my name isn't Volcano.